In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your recycle bin in ClickUp. If your ClickUp trash is starting to fill up and you want to permanently remove everything inside it, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Just keep in mind that clearing the trash is permanent. So once those items are deleted, they can't be restored. That makes it a good idea to quickly review what's in your trash before you confirm the final action. To get started, open ClickUp and look to the upper left corner of your screen. There, click your Workspace avatar to open the Workspace menu. This menu gives you access to important Workspace level options, including your settings. Once the menu opens, click Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage different Workspace configurations and administrative options. If you're not seeing the exact page right away, just look along the Settings navigation panel until you find the correct section. Next, from the All Settings sidebar, select Trash. This will open the trash area where ClickUp stores items that have been deleted but not yet permanently erased. Depending on your Workspace activity, you may see tasks, lists, or other removed items waiting there. Now go to the upper right corner of the trash page and click Clear All Trash. This is the option that tells ClickUp you want to remove everything currently in the trash at once, instead of deleting items one by one. It's the fastest way to fully clean out this area. After that, ClickUp will ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm that you want to permanently delete all items from the trash. This final confirmation is important because it helps prevent accidental data loss. Once you accept, the trash will be emptied and those items will be gone permanently. That's all there is to it. Opening the Workspace menu, going into Settings, selecting Trash, clicking Clear All Trash and confirming the deletion is the complete process for emptying your recycle bin in ClickUp. If you're cleaning up your workspace regularly, doing this from time to time can help keep things organized and make sure all deleted items aren't sitting in the trash longer than necessary. Thanks for watching.